Model 103D. Fits most sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs. Single configuration design eliminates headaches during setup and installation. Patented individual tie-down system secures and protects bicycles. Lifetime warranty on workmanship and materials. Allen's warranty does not cover items purchased through third-party sellers. Important: please consult manufacturer webpage for specific vehicle fit. Top reviews from the United States. Very decent bike rack. For reference, vehicle pictured as a Dodge Charger and I am female 5 feet 2,136 pounds with absolutely no arm strength. Assembly was the most challenging part, but very easy nonetheless. The instructions that come with it are useless. I used reference pictures from previous reviews to figure out how to assemble. Once assembled, it is very sturdy. I placed the bottom hooks under my trunk and the top ones over. My boyfriend helped me place the metal bars into the holes and boom, ready for use. I would say took us no more than 30 minutes to figure it out and adjust tightness. Once the bike is placed and secured on the rack, I tugged with all my might and it did not budge. I then drove 45 minutes on the highway going about 60 to 80 miles per hour and it did not move. My biggest concern when I got my bike was transporting it since my car is not equipped, but this rack is really great for sedans like mine. It's also very lightweight and easy to install. Overall, I would recommend if you're looking for something quick and fairly cheap. For the price, I think it does what it's supposed to.